5 Yu-Gi-Oh cards that got censored. Okay, this is one of the strangest censorships in Yu-Gi-Oh history. It's the card Mind Master, and it's like this mechanical brain thing with these orbs swirling around its head. And for the American release, they censored it by removing the orbs, but why? Well, I didn't know myself until I found the trap card Mind Over Matter, which features Mind Master in its artwork. And seeing the orbs like that, I guess I can see why they had to censor both of these cards. If you're an old school Yu-Gi-Oh fan, you might remember the card Goddess of Whim because it has a lot to do with flipping coins, which is a pretty cool mechanic. But the original artwork was deemed too revealing, so this is the version we got in the American release. But what's interesting is 20 years after the original Goddess of Whim was released, we got this new version called Goddess of the Two Sides. And this card was also deemed too revealing, so it got the exact same censorship even 20 years later. This is the original version of a card called Cloak and Dagger, and it seems to feature a sniper telescope aiming at this guy standing in the street. Now what's funny is the first way they tried to censor this card is they made the guy holding a balloon and the scope is aiming at the balloon and not him. But then they had to censor it again to look like a telescope because just having the sight of a firearm was deemed too much for the American release.